Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday, the 25th of April. This is our weekly recap. I hope you're all doing well. I'm shooting this around 1:40 in the afternoon. A little exhausted, drank too much, and got no sleep. Enjoyed the NFL draft last night, and I'm done for the week. If you want to join us, come over to smartoptiontrading.com. Link in the description below. We'd love to have you with us. So let's talk about this week. And it's not been the easiest of weeks, but it's been a very good week if you just picked the right names and the right areas to go in. So let's start off here. On Monday, we looked like hell. We dropped down. We put a low in, and I drew this line and said, okay, now we have maybe a higher low, or we have an H cell pattern, right? You can see the lowercase h. We gapped up on Tuesday, trapping shorts. Nice day on Tuesday. Wednesday, we gapped up again. Thursday, yesterday, we had the big candle. Today, we're getting a little bit of follow through here. Um, this is a constructive bullish chart on the markets. Why? Because you have a rising wedge and it looks like it wants to break out. We're fighting right now, right here with this candle, Wednesday's candle from 2 weeks ago. And we're trying to break above that 548.62. We were above it, but Trump just spoke and brought us back in. But you get the idea. We're trying to break up, and the next move to me is to the 50-day, a gap fill, that 50-day up there at 562, and the big Rutcher match would come at the 200-day, which is still all the way up at 572. We'll see if we can get there. Let's talk about what was good and what wasn't good this week, and let's just work our way around. The Qs here, oops, stronger, already up and above Wednesday's high and looking stronger. The IWM remains weak. The Dow remains weak. Okay, both of these are nowhere near that. Energy remains weak. The banks are holding in, but they're not leading in this charge, right? They're definitely not leading it. The semis here are trying to wake back up after a nice report from LRCX. We get some more next week, but not really pushing hard, but trying. Nvidia above the 21-day, the 50-day at 115, your next target. AMD, your next target's the 50-day there as well, around the 100 area. So both of these waking up. Micron also a nice move. Qualcomm, you guys get the idea. Intel, just a miserable report. No other way to hide behind it. Bitcoin, strong week, breaking out. Nice move up here. Coin moving with it. MSTR, you have nice moves in your crypto names. They're running very nicely. Lots of moves there. We had earnings from Netflix last Thursday. Netflix was huge for us on Tuesday here in the room. If you weren't with us, you missed out. We traded Netflix multiple times. I traded it 4 times alone on Tuesday. Huge money on that. Big move. Up 5 days in a row here. Needs a rest 6 days in a row if this holds. But a great report, should go higher. We traded the TQQQs a lot. We traded Tesla a ton this week. Tesla today was an ATM machine. I mean, 4 trades on it, not one loss on it today, and just gone in. In retrospect, I should have just sat in the thing, but don't trust it. Don't trust the market, but huge move up, breaking above the 50-day, 200-day, your next target there. That is up there at 291.33. What else? Google last night after hours. We do trade after hours. We traded Google. We had nice wins on Google here. Big move up. I'm a little bit surprised and disappointed it's not holding this pop. I thought it was a very good report. They're selling it. They haven't completely sold it off. They sold like 70% of it off. We'll see. And that's kind of the week it's been. There's been names to be in and names not to be in. And if you focused on the right names, you know, um, Monday was difficult. Tuesday was Netflix day and TQQQs. Wednesday was Tesla all over the place. Um, Thursday, I didn't trade as much, but had big trades on Netflix and Tesla and Google after hours. And today it's been all Tesla. There's nice moves to be had here. We go into next week and we go into a huge week of earnings. It's one of the busiest earnings weeks of the season, and we're gonna be busy. So we're gonna start off with SoFi on. We got NXPI on Monday night. SoFi, PayPal, UPS, JetBlue, Coke, Pfizer, Royal Caribbean, Spotify on Tuesday morning. Visa, Starbucks, Snap for solar, among many others on Tuesday night. Caterpillar on Wednesday morning. Wednesday night, Microsoft, Meta, Robinhood, Qualcomm, among others. Thursday morning, Lilly, Roblex, MasterCard, McDonald's. And then Thursday night, Amazon and Apple, Riot, Airbnb, and Reddit, among others. And then I leave for vacation on Thursday night. So I'll hang around for earnings with you guys and get stuff done, and then I'm gone for the next 5 days, which is great because I much needed vacation. But other than that, I wish you all well. Members, if you need to chat, please reach out. I'll do charts on Sunday, closing the room around 2 o'clock today. Everybody have a wonderful weekend. If you want to join us, a link in the description below. We'd love to have you in our live trading room. Everybody be good.